So let's take a look at how to track your SEO rankings with Ahrefs. If you just put your website in here, it will show you some basic information, but what I recommend is in the dashboard, you'll see this project section here. Click on create. Then you can add a project in here. So I like to just add manually. You can import from Google Search Console if you prefer that method. And we're just going to do Office Depot here. It's going to automatically pull in the name. I'm just going to click continue. We don't really need the web analytics because we don't have access to the website. Same thing with the verification. I'm just going to have this scan every month. You can change how frequent you want it to scan. There's also some crawl settings and different stuff that you can change over here if you want, but I'm just going to leave it as is here and click continue. Then it's wanting us to add in some keywords, so we can manually add them in, like I don't know, office supplies. You can manually add them here, or what I like to do is come here and see which keywords they're already ranking for, see which keywords the website is already ranking for, and start monitoring those keywords. I'm kind of curious if they're selling any Apple products. So maybe something like the iPhone. Looks like maybe they're selling the OtterBox. Maybe we check something like chairs. They do a lot of office chairs. Yeah, they're ranked number 9 for office chairs, which gets tons of search volume. Ergonomic chair. Office chairs on sale. Big and tall office chairs. Office chairs near me. Ergonomic, heavy duty, gaming chair. Okay, so we got like 13 keywords selected here out of 536 possible. Just going to click continue. We can also analyze competitors if we want. I'm just going to skip this for now. It's going to take some time now to actually set this all up. It's not going to be something that's instantaneous by any means. But once it's done doing its thing, it basically has to go scan all the rankings and everything, pull in all the data, and provide a report. But once that is complete, then you will start to see it showing up here under the dashboard under projects. And then you can see the rank tracker as well. So, like this one has 11 keywords that are ranking, so we can actually see the position that they're ranking in, the intent, search volume, bunch of different helpful information that most rank trackers are not going to be pulling in. You can jump right into doing more keyword research. So you're like, hey, we're ranking really well for Tesla. Let's explore this parent topic and see what else we can find that we could rank for. What about Tesla stock or Tesla Cybertruck or whatever, right? So really powerful SEO ranking tracker built right into Ahrefs. And there we go. It looks like it appeared here now. So it may take it some time for the rank. Oh, yeah, it's probably going to need to. It's still analyzing these keywords. Once it's done, though, we're going to see all that same data here. And that's basically it. You just set it, walk away, and then come back later, and you'll be able to see how things are performing over time. So I hope you found this helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about in terms of rank tracking through Ahrefs or anything like that, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comments section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there.
If you're like most new business owners, you're probably struggling to get your online presence established, let alone get it to the point where it's bringing you a consistent flow of customers, right? So that's why I created this free course where I actually walk you step by step through the whole process of setting up your online presence. This is the same process we've been using for our clients for over a decade at one of my agencies. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to set up an SEO friendly business name right from the get-go, how to develop your website really quickly and easily, how to set up your Google Maps listing, start getting some Google reviews, everything you need in order to have a substantial online presence where people can actually start finding you and purchasing your products or services. The best part is I'm going to show you how to do it in under a couple of hours and all for less than $50. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up today. Make sure to check this course out for free right now because I'm probably going to start charging for this at some point in the future. All right, I'll see you on the other side.